No, but seriously, like imagine waking up like this. It takes like literally almost no money to get to Nepal. The smoke, what the money cost of the smoke, you don't even want to know because you just want to get here then. But we wake up in a house for free. We have electricity. We have mountain water for free. We don't need a Kangen machine. We don't need a distiller. We have it straight plugged from the source. Literally, we have. Imagine waking up like this.
And we live in the jungle too, so if you
This is
wanted to
literally
make
the jungle.
fire.
It's literally the jungle in the mountains. I'm in the heart of nature, baby.
Can I get a
Hello
hello
there.
there? And we ain't even had breakfast because we
Breathing in
skipped
that
it.
good ass Prada, baby. Shout out to Infinite Waters. We made it to the fifth dimension, brother. The fifth dimension is in the heart of nature. When you're completely present in the moment, you've accepted all that is. You feel that God is all around you. And
Om Namah Shivaya.
love is that. Om Namah Shivaya, Hare Krishna, Hallelujah. Jah Rastafari. Bless nature. Nature is love. God is nature. That's the face of God you see everywhere in this jungle. It's the face of God. We live in the face of God. Are you guys seeing? Are you present? Even if the cities disturb you and make you not see it,